What's up guys, it's Kitten with 4D Cardistry, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the Sybil Cut. So, the Sybil Cut was created by a close-up magician by the name of Chris Kenny's in the years of 1990s to the early 2000s. This move is, like, honestly the creation of cardistry. It was one of the most flashy moves back then, and today it's one of the moves that start a lot of different cardistry moves. It starts a lot of combinations. There's a lot of variations on it. I'll teach you one in a later video. It's called 5 Faces of Sybil. So basically you just do the Sybil Cut and then you grab another packet and you display it, and that's 5 Faces of Sybil. So yeah, you can see how this move starts a lot of cardistry moves and has so many variations because it was one of the first moves to be created in cardistry. I think it actually was the first move to be created, like cuts, one of the first fancy cuts to be created, and that's what created cardistry. The godfathers of cardistry are actually Dan and Dave, and I think they used this move as inspiration for a lot of their moves. Right, so enough with the technicalities, let's get into learning this move. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to hold the cards in this grip, the same one as the Charlier, but I know a lot of cardists like to hold it in this grip, which is called mechanic's grip. It's your 3 fingers on the one long side, your thumb at the top left corner of the card, and your index finger going over the top short side of the cards. Right, I find nothing wrong with this move, but I personally feel more comfortable doing the move from this position, or the starting position. Right, so from there you're going to hold the cards. You're going to take your right hand, going to use your index finger and your thumb to break off from the top with your index finger and from the bottom with your thumb. Right, and then from there you're going to use your middle finger to break off another small pack from the top with your index finger. Right, so let's just do that again. Index finger and thumb, gonna break off, and then you're gonna break off once more. Right, so now when you're in this position, you're going to want to, I'm gonna change the angles for this, or I'm gonna show a separate clip with a different angle, but you're gonna want to move your left hand downwards. Alright, so I don't know if you can see that, but my left hand moved downwards, and I'm going to use my right hand's middle finger and thumb to detach that middle packet that is currently being held by my thumb and middle finger in my right hand. I'm going to change it to my thumb and middle finger of my left hand. I'm going to just take the cards out, right? And now you can see these 2 packets are independent of this packet. Okay, let's just do that again. So the grip, you're gonna move your hand downwards, grab the packets with your middle and thumb. So as you can see, I'm holding it at the bottom corners of the packet on the short sides, right? And then from here, you're gonna move your right hand once again. You're gonna move it towards this pack of cards here. You're gonna move it towards it. Your pinky finger is gonna come into contact with the right long side of that packet. Your ring finger is gonna attach itself to the top side of the packet, and your middle finger is going to attach itself to the long left side of the packet, and you're going to be able to grip the cards like this and move them independently of your left hand now. Okay, we'll do that again, but just a quick little tip to get that grip right. I know it's hard because it's an irregular kind of grip. Just take a pack of cards and hold them like this. Hold them with your middle finger, your ring finger at the top, pinky finger on the right side, and middle finger on the left side, and just hold it like this. Move your hand around, maybe move the cards if you can, you know. Just try and get used to it. Right, okay, so now we're gonna break the cards off again, and we're just gonna go back to where we were. So now from here, like I said, move it, grab that packet, and you're going to move away, and you're going to basically extend it outwards so that you can bring your hand down once again, and you're gonna grab that packet once again with your middle finger and your thumb. You're gonna try, if you want to continue to move again, you can grab it at the bottom like we did before, and you can just keep going with the cut like that. But if you want to close it, you can grab it in the middle of the pack and then just drop it on top of this pack and close the other 2 packets. So let's just go there again one more time. So here, we're gonna move this hand down once again, and you're gonna basically just like slip it. You're gonna like pass it to the your left hand's middle and thumb, right? You're just gonna grab it, and you're gonna either drop it or once again continue to cut like this. You don't have to continue to cut like that. You can also once again just break off another packet with your middle finger and do the cuts again like that. Whichever way you prefer it. Alright. So that was the move. I'm gonna do it in slow motion on both hands so that you guys can follow along in a slow motion process. But before that, I'm just gonna give you guys some tips. So first tip was hold the packets with those 3 fingers independently, just to get the grip, to get the strength from it, you know, get the feel of it. Second tip is to make it, this is not really to practice, this is more to make it look cleaner. You can, when you opening it, you can break all 4 packets at once. So instead of opening and then breaking that 4th packet, you can, before you open it, you can break it there and then just open it. It can make it look smoother and cleaner. Right, and for the third tip, try and instead of breaking off another packet, you in this grip, the Z grip, without your middle finger breaking out a packet, do the move I just showed you, but do it with this top packet. So you're gonna take it, okay, sorry, I took up too many cards there. Gonna break off. You're gonna take it with your middle finger, like I showed you in the other move, and you're gonna just do the move with that top packet. It makes it easier to practice because there's nothing holding. It's not like you're holding too many packets, so you're not as restricted in the movement as you would be in the Sybil Cut. So you get the feel of it, you get the motion of it right, and then you can start practicing with 4 packets. Right. So yeah, that's what I have for this move. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it helps you. I'm gonna now cut away to the slow motion part of the video. But if you did enjoy it, leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment telling me what I did right, what I did wrong, what you liked about the video, what you didn't. And I hope to see you guys next time. Ciao.